Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Sneha and welcome back to another episode of Uncut with Sneha. So if you don't know what it is, I'm gonna give you a short introduction. So basically, this is a motivational sort of series that I do once in a month, and I cover all the issues that you're facing. You send me your messages and I give you motivation towards overcoming those goals or maybe getting rid of those issues. So, without any further ado, let's quickly dive right into this session. I got a lot of questions. So, thank you so much. I appreciate your effort and your courage to send me your issues or maybe your questions. It's so sweet of you, and I would definitely, help you at least to get motivated or overcome these issues. So, yeah, I'm not gonna pick all of them because obviously there were a lot of questions that were asked. So, मैं हर month I'll take it in parts. तो आज I'm gonna take few questions that I got, and yeah. So if you want to send in your questions, the only thing that you need to do is either DM me on my Instagram handle or you can mail me. Details would be in the description. Alright, so let's begin with the first question. So now this was certain question that I felt like discussing about myself. मुझे personally भी लगा कि I should talk about it. So the first question was, during this lockdown, many are going in depression. So you should go for how to overcome this. Okay. This is something that's going to another end. So many people are getting depressed on the condition that is going right now. तो मैं आपको बताऊंगी that how can you overcome this depression. See, there are various ways through which you could overcome this. First of all, अपना mind इन चीज़ों में मत लगाइए. Okay. Do certain skills that you're good at or do something that will change up your state of mind. Maybe you could try painting, you could try drawing, you could do cooking, anything. Second, make a to-do list if you know what it is actually. Before sleeping, just make a list on what you need to do the next day and try to complete that goal. So that will help you a lot. Make goals and try to finish them up. तो अगर आपका दिमाग उसी चीज में रहेगा then you would not worry at all. Next is to forget about any kind of stress or anxiety that you have. Stress and anxiety पे I have framed a podcast. Link would be in the description. That's so helpful and it would really help you. So stress or anxiety को basically remove करने के लिए there are the various steps that you need to take up. For example, think about the positive things in your life and just don't worry about what is going on. Think about the positive memories that you've spent. It would really help you to get rid of this. और अगर आपको फिर भी लगता है कि आप इसको कोप अप नहीं कर पा रहे हैं और यू आर नॉट एबल टू कोप अप, मैं आपको एक और आई गिव यू अ सजेशन. एज सुन एज यू वेक अप, just before, don't spend your time on social media. Either listen to a motivational podcast or any YouTube video or any song, something that is positive, something that gives you motivation. I will suggest you to listen to motivational podcast. That will help you a lot. Listen to that podcast. It will really help you. It's my promise. So all you need to do is pick your phone, don't look on social media, play a podcast in the morning, something that's quite motivational, and before sleeping the same exercise has to be done. बस सोने से पहले और सुबह उठते ही do something positive, start your day on a positive note. Alright? जब आप अपना डे किसी पॉजिटिव नोट पे स्टार्ट करोगे देन यू वोंट बी वरिड अपॉन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन योर लाइफ एंड एवरीथिंग वुड बी पॉजिटिव. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आपको वो थॉट्स नहीं आएंगे समथिंग लाइक दैट. ऑब्वियसली दे वुड कम वंस एंड फॉर ऑल, बट यू हैव टू मेक योर माइंड अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू गो एंड आई डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट, राइट? And after that, what else can I suggest you? There is a book I talked about it in my previous video. Not in my previous video, in the video that I made on lockdown favorites. That video, oh my god, so many of you love that video and asked to make a separate video on The Secret Law of Attraction. I'm definitely gonna do that soon. So, Law of Attraction, try to read The Secret book by Rhonda Byrne. It is definitely going to help you get rid of this and come out of it. If you cannot read that book, at least if you are, so much prone to phone and you can work through that, then you could either read the ebook or you could watch the movie. They also have a movie of the same, book, The Secret. You could watch that movie. It is available on Netflix. It is available on YouTube as well. I'll link that in the description if in case you guys really want to watch that. अगर आप book नहीं पढ़ सकते हैं, then definitely watch that movie. You would really get motivated and you would get rid of this. And that's all I wanted to say. I really hope you got motivated and your question is answered. So depression से बाहर निकलने के लिए make goals, plan whatever you want to do, and don't think about anything negative. Just think about all the positive things in your life and it's definitely going to help you. Let's move to the next question. Next question is sleepless nights. Oh my god, this is something that has been asked before as well. I've talked about it again in another video, but I thought that if you guys are facing problem, I should definitely talk about it. So sleepless nights, basically sleepless nights is something that's not very generally it's not something that occurs with each and everyone. But nowadays there are a lot of people who are facing this problem. They're not able to sleep properly. See, listen to me. If you would not sleep properly, then definitely it would affect your meals. Because आप अगर रात को 3 बजे सोएंगे, you would wake up at 12 and obviously you would be confused whether I should have my brunch or brunch all together or should I have lunch or breakfast. So as a result of which you would have the brunch together. तो आपके meals में भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा effect पड़ता है. And more than that, sleepless nights are very dangerous as well. If you would, reduce your sleeping time or do anything like that, it would not help you at all, and it will cause a lot of problems. So please don't, do this. Now, how can I motivate you basically? So sleepless nights कैसे आपको reduce करनी है? Just as soon as you are going to sleep, first of all, make a proper time to sleep. Don't reduce your sleep time. Don't increase your sleep time. Make the normal 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Don't take more. And don't sleep for less. ठीक है, I hope you understood. उसी लिमिट में सोइए और अपने टाइम बनाइए. मेक योर टाइम शेड्यूल दैट आई हैव टू स्लीप एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपने बोला, आई शुड से कि अगर इफ यू आर अ पर्सन हु कैन स्लीप वेरी अर्ली, देयर सम पीपल हु कैन स्लीप इवन एट 7 आफ्टर हैविंग द डिनर और 8. Definitely I would suggest you to do that. That's the best time to actually take rest. But I personally can't sleep too early. There are a lot of people who can't do this, so I would not suggest you very early time. You can sleep at 9 or 10, it's good enough, and but not late than 10 because it will definitely affect your mental state of mind. And तो आप अपने लिए एक proper time बनाइए. If not, set alarms for yourself. Okay, I have to sleep at 10. Set an alarm at 10. Okay, sleep time. Now, there is another question that comes ready with this, that how can we sleep? अगर हमें नींद आ ही नहीं रही है तो हम कैसे सोएं, राइट? तो ये भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है समझना कि इसको कैसे आपको डील करना है इस चीज़ से. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज़ बेसिकली आपको ये प्रॉपर जो स्लीप टाइमिंग्स हैं इनको रखना है. एंड थिंक अबाउट द वर्स्ट थिंग दैट हैज हैपेंड इन योर लाइफ एंड हाउ यू गॉट रिड ऑफ इट. बिकॉज आई एम कंसिडरिंग कि आपने ये जो पूछा है स्लीपलेस नाइट्स, ये आपने अभी की सिचुएशन के बेसिस पे पूछा है, तो उसका मैं आंसर दे रही हूँ दैट व्हाट यू कैन डू इज एक्चुअली आप ये सोचिए तो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट हैज हैपेंड इन योर लाइफ एंड हाउ यू ओवरकम इट. जस्ट उसके बारे में सोचिए और जैसे ही आप उसके बारे में सोचेंगे डेफिनेटली यू वुड गेट मोटिवेटेड. एंड दैट्स अ वेरी गुड ट्रिक. आई पर्सनली ट्राइड अ लॉट. तो जिस दिन मुझे लगता है आई एम नॉट एबल टू स्लीप, आई जस्ट थिंक अबाउट very good things that have happened in my life, good memories. Then I think about the worst thing that has happened in my life, and then a full kind of जो कहते हैं ना मूवी की वो चलती है full. It's so much in me that I don't know what I'm personally doing. I think about everything that I've done till now, good memories, bad memories, and at the end I'm just like okay, everything would be fine and I sleep properly. So in case ऐसी चीज़ें आपके साथ होती हैं, all you need to do is think about your good memories that you've spent till now. Think about the worst thing that you have, actually faced, and how you got rid of it. I really hope this would help. So I think I was able to answer this question. And yeah, let's move to the last question for today, because I don't want this video to be too long for you to actually watch. So the last question is, how can I be more beautiful? Okay, this is something that has been asked, and okay, this is not something to be ashamed of asking. This is very general. A lot of people want to be more pretty than they are. So what I would like to say is, first of all, very generally I'm saying this, you can change your face, but ultimately your soul will shine. That's what I mean to say. जब तक आपकी your inner self is beautiful inside, it's positive, that will reflect on your face, definitely. So make sure that you're positive inside, always remain happy. You will be the most beautiful person in the world if you are beautiful from inside. Then your soul will shine. You don't need to worry about the outside. But if you want a sort of motivation in terms of how can you actually get glow on your face or something like that, then I would suggest that take care of your skin. For example, जब आप सुबह उठते हैं, there are a lot of things that are mandatory to do. For example, brushing, everyone does that. So take it along with that. That whenever I have to brush, I have to do my face wash, or I have to do my CTM routine, anything that you wish to do, right? So उसको उस चीज के साथ रखिए, that is mandatory for you to do, right? So before sleeping, or maybe when you get up, any time that suits you, तो आप उसको उस चीज के साथ रखना, that is mandatory in your life. So I compared it with brushing because obviously it's a mandatory thing to do and it's important as well. So what I was saying, that जो भी आपकी mandatory चीजें हैं उनके साथ इसको attach करिए, definitely would not miss on this. And make proper schedule for what you need to do throughout your day. That is what I basically want to do. And if you even forget doing your daily cleansing or maybe something like that, then what you could do is make a list or stick a note on the places that you see as soon as you get up. For example, you are sleeping on your bed, as soon as you get up, the wall that is in front of you, or maybe you have an alarm clock, attach that sticky note over there before sleeping, and as soon as you get up, you will actually see that, so you would remember on what you need to do. I really hope this would help, because this helps a lot in case I have to, go for an important meeting. All that I do is I attach a sticky note at the place that I immediately would see. So it helps me a lot personally, and I really hope it would help you and you would take care of your skin properly, and definitely you would be beautiful. But what I mean to say is, if you are beautiful from inside, then it doesn't matter about your outer beauty, because at the end the soul is the thing that's gonna matter. So that's all I wanted to say, right? So that's it for this video. I know I took up very few questions, but this video became so long that I had to end this on a positive note, as always. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you like this video, then what you need to do is, what you need to do: like, share and subscribe. Click on that little bell to get notified each and every time I post a new video. I have a lot of people in the list, but I thought that I should not take the name. I should actually reply to you guys right now, although I reply to your comments. Okay, so I got a comment from Bright Shine. Loved the video, and I have also subscribed to your channel. So first of all, thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for loving my videos. I really get motivated when you guys write these kind of comments. Ansh Karan has written, nice Neha, I have subscribed, thank you. Then Prem Simran has written, I will also make it, it looks very tempting. So definitely, that is the main comment that I wanted to see on the screen. That's all that I wanted to see in terms of this video, that you guys would make it and it looks quite tempting, because it was looking quite tempting to me when I watched the thumbnail. So yeah, that's the best reply that you could give. Thank you so much. I loved your comment. I just loved your comment, and you will also make it. That is what the motivation I want to make more videos like this. And yeah, there are a lot of people, so I will not go into details. Nitika has written nice recipe. Thank you. There are a lot of people, so I cannot actually reply to all of them. I reply to you in comments, but I thought that this would be a better initiative to come and reply to you live. So I hope you got, happy. तो अगर आप end तक देख रहे थे, then you got a surprise right here. So I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay home, stay safe, stay happy, stay motivated. And any questions, mail me. Bye bye.